Hello guys, welcome to Khorshidi family channel. We were like at home with Neda and we were like, let's have something to eat. When we opened the fridge, there were like zero stuff
As usual.
And if you are a married couple, you know what we are talking about. There is always empty fridge. So we decided to go to do some shopping, and I was thinking to go to Migros, but as you live in Turkey, you should know that by now Migros is a little bit expensive. So we're going to
A101.
okay. Why? Because A101 is a little bit cheaper, not a lot, but it's good. I mean, they've got products we like, and if you're new to Turkey, and if you have like a budget to spend every month, then where to go?
A101.
Okay, cool. And we are there. I cannot change that, but it's there. See, it's a blue sign. A101 means A101. Let's cross the street and let's go. Oh, by the way, if you're new to Turkey, in Turkey everybody's trying to not buy plastic or push it, so have your own things when you go for shopping, to help them to reduce the plastic consumption. Okay, nice, lovely. Let's go. This is our favorite bread. It's very good. So what are you going to have? What are we going to buy?
We are going to shopping some vegetables, like onions.
Can I buy Nutella?
No.
Why? Okay. Oh, that's why I don't usually come with Neda for shopping. I go myself, then I can buy chocolates. Okay, anyways, so if you want to spend less, go to A101. I use bira if they say in Turkish, and they've got good prices, and you can spend more money on products. I mean, you can buy more stuff with less money. And Nutella. And yes, and we will go probably Migros in the next few days. I'm gonna record for you guys as well what else they have. I'm probably gonna put the Nutella in my pocket without telling Neda. Okay, see you guys in next video, and fingers crossed I can grab my Nutella. Ciao.